The McClellan Gallery and Sculpture Park is a rare beauty. Situated on breathtaking land in the Greater Frankston area, it is comprised of 3 galleries and a 16-hectare sculpture park. The galleries themselves are spacious affairs that are kept warm in winter and delightfully cool in summer. With a 9-week turnaround, the artwork on offer is constantly changing, and as a gold coin donation admits you into the 3 individual galleries and 3 individual shows. The Sculpture Park, on the other hand, requires some sturdy shoes and some spare time. Boasting over 70 individual works from some of Australia's best-known artists, the natural setting creates a beautiful backdrop for the artwork. And that's not all. The McClellan Gallery's gorgeous cafe is open Tuesday to Sunday, and with its glass window walls you can enjoy a delicious coffee and cake or sit down to lunch in full view of the park. The McClellan Gallery offers a complete solution if you're looking for a special day trip or you just want to catch the current gallery shows. All I know is that keep your diary free, because 3 hours will have gone by and you didn't even notice.